A short video to show you how to overdub CC data onto a score. Here I have a normal view where I've just typed in a simple line. You'd be playing that in, I assume. What we want to do is go to Windows and then go to linear view so I can see my score, and then underneath it see the CC data that I want to edit in the piano roll. So what I'll want to do here, what I did is I drew in some expression data on CC11 just to show you that when I record some other data, we'll record breath controller here, that I'm not going to erase other CC data that I had in the score. So what I want to do is go to the controller data that I want to dub in, and I'll use a breath controller in this case. I've kind of lined it out so you can see that I'll add something new in. Next thing I want to do is go to my breath controller and make sure it's working and set up correctly. So I have the tech breath controller set up here, MIDI channel 1, and I'm going to put out CC number 2, the breath controller. That's what I've selected down here. Let me test it, make sure it's working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, we'll get out of that. Now, next thing I want to do is make sure that breath controller is enabled in Overture 5. Go to MIDI settings, audio MIDI settings, and I can see it's enabled here, but it very well might be disabled when you bring it up or first connect it. So go in there, make sure it's enabled, and then click Done. All right, the next thing or the last thing you need to worry about is I want to set the record so that I'm not recording notes. I'm just recording everything else. So if you go into the little triangle here, oops, I didn't want to do that. I want to go to the little triangle and so make sure that record all except notes is selected. Right? If I have anything else like record all or record notes only, I'm going to overdub my notes, and I don't want to do that. So I only have record notes enabled. I'll go back to the beginning. Now when I record, it should record only what I have set up here and leave the other CC data intact. So let's give that a shot. And there you go. You can see it uh, recorded it. Unfortunately, it didn't display it as I was playing it in real time. Hopefully, that's some feature I just haven't seen here. If not, we'll have to request that as a feature because we really want to see what we're doing when we're doing it. Now, last thing, my notes you can see still there. Let me go in and look at CC11, and hopefully that's what it used to be, and it is. So there you go. I just recorded breath controller, and everything else was the same. And I can go in and select some other CC number and do the same thing. Hopefully that was of help to you.